Hey guys, this is Nougat here on my Nexus 7 2012 running Android 7.1.1 Nougat. I'm just going to do a cold boot to give an idea of how it runs. I installed this with Clockwork Mod recovery as the touchscreen is cracked, or the screen's cracked and the touchscreen does not work. And it worked just fine. Most of the guides say to use twerp, but Clockwork Mod recovery works too. And I have not set this up. Only thing I've really done is installed a couple of apps through Bluetooth. I did not install Gaps because Gaps caused everything to force close second I booted it up. Plus, it's a whole lot slower, so yeah. This is completely usable without Gaps, but Gaps is just really slows it down. I had this running. This is the same Nexus that did 5.1.1 Lollipop, and it was so much faster without Gaps. Anyways, enough talking about that. As you can see, this has the card-like notifications, and to unlock it, we have to swipe up. As for some reason, you can't unlock it with the mouse. So you can activate that. Okay. So, anyways, we're in now. As you can see, I haven't set this up at all, but this is what it looks like for the most part. And I'll go ahead and show you that this is indeed Nougat. So as you can see right here, as you can see, I mean, it just booted up and it's already running pretty smoothly. So yeah, I believe it's hold down. Yep, and there you go. You got the little Easter egg. And if we pull down here, we have a little Easter egg. Let's see, just load. No, okay. But this is obviously not official. It's not on Lineage OS, the Lineage website. So this download this is off of XDA. Oh, okay then. As you can see, it's not exactly stable, but it's usable. The only thing that I noticed is not working is the camera. Doesn't seem to work. Oh, never mind, it's working. I guess I kind of showed that it worked earlier, but yeah, there you go. And the other thing that doesn't work is videos on the browser. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you just performance overall. So let's go ahead and open email. Then we can open up contacts. Let's see. We can move over to gallery. We can go to music. And then go into recent apps, go into settings, and as you can see, it's still running in the background. So camera doesn't seem to be running though. Yep, everything's running in the background. And as you can see, it's flying. I mean, it's not stuttering or anything. It's doing it just fine. One thing worth noting is when I first booted this up into the setup, it's really laggy. Like even the mouse lags. I just turned it off. What's it called? I think it's live display. You just have to turn this off and then turn off adaptive brightness, and then it sped right up. So I'm gonna go do some web browsing now. This is the stock browser. It's a whole lot better than using Chrome. But let's go ahead and let's go to Reddit first. Right, I had to set this up. So Reddit. And we're going to do mobile, we're going to do the desktop site, and then we're going to go to my YouTube channel, and I'll show you what I mean by not playing things right. Even on the website here, it doesn't play right, so that's a YouTube link. Let's play a GIF, or a GIF, I don't know. So as you can see, it's supposed to be playing, but it's not. And you can get it playing like doing this. Let's see, play. Yeah, it just doesn't play. Sometimes it'll play, but you have to keep going like this in order for it to play. And this is a picture. But if you're just browsing Reddit without watching the GIFs or anything, it works fine. So next, we can go and do the desktop site, which probably should be in portrait mode, but whatever. There we go. And I think that this is, smoother. I think it runs better, in my opinion. As you can see, it's scrolling through it. I mean, there's a little stuttering, but overall, it's fine. If you go click a link, let's see. It loads pretty quickly. I forgot, GIFs don't play on the Reddit desktop site. You have to use like something like Chrome for that to work. So, next we'll go to my YouTube channel. So, do this. You have to like click here and then click here. Then we're going to go to YouTube. Oops. Alright, so we're loaded. Let's just click on my video right here, the SSD cold boot, and see if this will play. I think I have to go full screen. And here, this is what I mean. Alright, so like, you can see it's really stuttery, but, no. I think it's just trying to prove me wrong. The first time I tried making this video, it was really stuttery. Maybe it's just, yeah, maybe it's when it's not full screen. Yeah. You have to go like this for it to work for some reason. But if we go like this, it continues. It's weird, but there you go. So YouTube does play through the browser. I don't have the app installed because I believe you need gaps for that to function. Let's try the desktop version of the site. Alright. And a little more stuttery, but after it just loads in, it's okay. Now obviously these videos aren't going to play because I guess it doesn't have the add-ons required or extensions, I don't know. But if you're to use something like Chrome, it might work, unless it wants to just work now and it's just being slow. Yeah, I don't think it'll play. Either that or I'm just being impatient, but yeah. Yep, there. Yeah, there you go. It doesn't play. So you have to be in the mobile browser, but I mean, as you can see, it's still running. There's no lag, no real visual lag or anything. And look, even these apps are still running in the background. Let's see, let's go to gallery. Gallery's still running. Maybe it wasn't. Contacts. Contacts is running. Let's try email. Yep, email's still running. So there you go. As you can see, Nougat is usable on the Nexus 7 2012. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.